My theme is magic. So
theme is
have to do a little theme.
Okay.
And the magic word is abracadabra, okay? Just remember that.
Got it.
Where's that start button?
Right here.
The middle one, okay. All right. I'm gonna make the cocktail, then when I'm done serving, I'll go ahead and explain all the ingredients to you, okay?
Perfect.
All right, so let's start.
You have 5 seconds countdown.
Wait, hang on.
Oh,
You're good, you're good. One, go.
all right. I'm going and doing 1.5 of vodka per cocktail, so 2 cocktails each in that one in this one. I'm gonna go ahead and do equal parts with the cold brew. So 1.5 again for the 1 cocktail, 3 ounces for 2.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Ooh. So, and I'll explain in a second. This is a brown butter wash coffee liqueur that I made. Do a little 1/2 ounce for 1 serving, full ounce for 2. This is also my pineapple cinnamon turbinado super syrup. I do 1/2 ounce for that per cocktail, so 2 ounces for 2. And then a pineapple turbinado cold foam. I'm gonna go ahead and do 0.25 ounces of that, so 1/2 ounce for 2 cocktails. Let's go ahead and give this guy a little shake. I don't want my hat to fall off. Would you guys kindly tell me my time?
You were at 3 minutes.
3 minutes. 3 minutes left.
You got plenty of time.
Plenty of time.
You're rock and rolling. Woo. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna leave these cocktail up here. And how much time do I have? You're at 140.
140. Okay, so for my first magic trick, you see there's nothing in the hat. What is the magic words? Abracadabra. Oh my God, is there something in here? Oh my God, there is. So how freaking random. So this card is for you. This card is for you. This card is for you. If you guys would please hold on to those cards and go ahead and flip them over, you can show them to the guests. I bet I can not only tell you what those cards are, but I can show you. So let's go ahead and abracadabra, abracadabra, abracadabra.